So far.
How much money do you have in this crypto account?
I had 13K.
You have $13,000 in the crypto account. How much money do you need to take it out?
So far, I was trying to withdraw only 800. You know, just 800.
$800 to take the money out.
No, my bad. $700. $700.
Okay, and who do you know that's done this process also personally?
Personally, no one. So
bro, you about to get finessed, bro. You sound like you about to get finessed. It sounds like you about to get finessed. It sounds like I give you $700 and then you give me this much. It just sounds weird. Say for example, if we use Robinhood, right? Or let's say for example we use Coinbase, whatever platform there is out there for cryptocurrency. Whatever money I put into it, there are no fees. And whenever it comes down, for example, to me paying my taxes, that's at the end of the year. So what platform do I need to give $700 to get back, for example, $13,000? It just sounds ridiculous.
That part, I know, like, I've been thinking about it the whole time.
Yeah, bro, so if it sounds too good to be true, a lot of the times it is.
I can find it to the manager of the customer support, and pretty much he was saying the fact that it's real, bro, and, you know, like, pretty much, like, that, you feel me, like, it's tax.
Bro, run, bro, run. You about to get scammed. Run. Really far away. Look, you're in a bad. Go ahead.
The money so far I deposited into my account was $966.
And you grew it to $13,000. It sounds stupid, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you. So what I would do is this. Again, my advice can only come from what I would do in your shoes, right? Sometimes you lose, and sometimes you can't make the money back the same way you lost it. It's just how life works. So if you lost that money that way, don't try to recover it the same way. You lost it, you took an L, great. You can move on now. You can move on. So get a job first. You've been trying to do that. Keep looking for a job, right? Once you get a job, buy yourself a little beater car, $500 to $1,000. That's your budget. Once you get a car, now you can move around a little bit more. Get a little side hustle also while you're in it. And then work towards getting, for example, the degree or license or whatever you're trying to do. If you wanna, I want you to make a list, right? This is your only task here. Make a list of the top 10 things you want to do in life, right? As far as a career-wise, whether it's a psychologist, whether it's working at a car shop, whatever it is, and you want to write those things down. Do all the research to what it takes to get to that point in life. Then I want you to cross off all 9 of them and keep the one that's your favorite that falls under 3 things. Something you like, you're good at, and it's going to make you a good amount of money. Not the most money, because you also got to like what you actually do. So if that's psychology, you understand that you already have a bachelor's degree. It'll take you 2 years to get the master's degree. Okay, great. If that is working, for example, trying to make your own car company, well, start off at the bottom. Work for somebody else at their dealership. Work in sales first. See how everything actually works. Become a mechanic, whatever you want to do. But that way you start small and you kind of build up. If you can't, you can't ever start a game at level 100 or level max. You got to start from the bottom first, step by step.
Yes.
You feel me? I'm sorry to hear about this, man. It sounds like you're just trying to like make things work and it's not going your way. And the reason is because basically you're trying to push money to do things that money doesn't do. So whenever you're trying to do that, you're going to get scammed and finessed. So for right now, just take a breath, pause, and let it go. It happens, okay? I've been scammed in the past before. That's fine, but you only get scammed once.
It's crazy.
You've got to